prayer and petition tonight as faith leaders rally to block a proposed casino in Cleveland County.
Tonight, ministers say it would prey on the poor, but supporters point to the success of the only other casino in North Carolina. WCCB Charlotte's Adrena Begas is live in Kings Mountain with more on that debate. Adrena?
Well, tonight this petition was delivered to the Kings Mountain City Council. You can see it's signed by 75 local ministers. They're asking council members to take their name off of a letter to the federal government in support of the casino coming here to Kings Mountain.
All of the money in the world that would result in bringing a casino to this area is not worth this community selling its soul to have it.
A rally in Kings Mountain to stop the Catawba Indian Nation's proposal for a 220,000 square foot resort and casino off Interstate 85 in Kings Mountain. Developers say the casino would bring an estimated $349 million into the area each year and create more than 4,000 jobs. It's something the chambers say this community needs.
They could hire more people, hire people at the casino, hire security guards, I mean, just help with more jobs. There's barely any jobs around here, and I'm struggling with the job situation now.
These ministers say the promise for more money and jobs isn't worth promoting gambling addictions.
It preys on the weak.
If you decide to go in there, that's your choice. Nobody is making you go in there. You go in there because you want to go.
Developers point to Harrah's Cherokee Casino. With 3.6 million visitors a year, it's the largest attraction in North Carolina. Visitors spent about $386 million at the casino in 2010, and 70% of visitors were from out of state.
Maybe help around here with the economy, bring people from other states, other communities into this community.
The latest study shows Harrah's pays about $75 million in wages and salaries to its close to 1,700 employees. The casino staff makes up 5% of the workforce in Swain and Jackson counties. But this congregation says the casino is only benefiting the tribe.
Take a trip to Cherokee, North Carolina, and look around and see how much good Harrah's has done for the community at large.
It's important to note that the city council does not have any say in this. It's the federal government who's going to make the final decision, and the Catawba Indian Nation tells me tonight that they have no timeline on that decision. I'm live in Kings Mountain. Adrena Begas, WCCB News.